guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I'm going to be featuring the Enchanted Autumn collection. This is a collaboration between Fantasy Cosmetica and Amanda, aka Makeup Just for Fun, over on Instagram. Now what I liked is that they let me pick and choose some of the items I wanted to receive in this collection, and one of the items I quickly chose was this beautiful candle over here. It smells like pine trees and it smells like winter is upon us. Sister is up here and I don't want her to get into everything, and I don't want her to mess up the palette especially. Here is a closer look at the Enchanted Autumn palette. Look at how gorgeous the artwork is. We open this palette up and of course you're going to get a mirror, and this is your 12 pan color story. Loving the gold, the matte shades, the inclusion of pink and like this lavenderish color here. I feel like there's a little balance between cool and warm in this one. And then also in the collection are 5 different lip glosses, but I chose just 2 lip glosses to try out for you guys today. Now, this entire Enchanted Autumn collection is going to launch on Friday, September the 13th, spooky day, at 9 a.m. PST, which would be 11 a.m. CST if I'm doing the math correctly. If you wanted the palette just by itself, it would retail for $44.99, and you would also get a free necklace and a free earring to go along with that. Now I do have oh, it says discount codes are not applicable for products in this launch, but they do apply for other items. So if you're just buying this launch, unfortunately, you can't use a discount code, but if you see something else that catches your eye over on the Fantasy Cosmetica website, then my affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. So I'm excited. I'm going to be creating 2 looks for you guys today, and let's get started with them. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steff, and I invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Fantasy Cosmetica, if you're a fan of Amanda from A Makeup Just for Fun, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And as usual, links and codes to everything will be listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I'm ready to start creating 2 looks. So if you guys want to see the Enchanted Autumn collection in action, keep on watching. All right, guys, let's apply one of these lippies together before we get started with the eye look. I don't expect these to have much color. They don't really have a scent. Yeah, I would definitely pair these maybe on top of your favorite lip liner. This is more like a peachy one, but yeah, I'm not really liking it on its own. That's what it looks like. It looks orangey, like around the mouth. And then, I don't know. The lip balm is not really for me, at least not right now. I'll probably have to change into a lipstick before I leave for work. But let's dive into the most important thing, which is the Enchanted Autumn palette. And these are the shades that we're going to be working with today. So I am wearing, again, another like tan black outfit to work. So I love a shade like this. So I'm really interested in it. I'm going to try this one out. This one is called Willow Oak. Yeah, we're going to go in with Willow Oak first, and then possibly the green down here. But we'll see. Maybe I'll go into the red instead. I don't know, but for sure, I think I want to apply this all over the lid and work it into the crease. And I'm using a Rephr B03. Is this a Rephr? Yeah, Rephr B03. I am getting fallout from the shade. And it's probably because I just picked up too much on the brush. But it is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Definitely a nice transition one. All right, I feel like we got a good blend. I worked a little bit to have to blend this one out. I feel like kind of up here, Looks a little patchy. I am wearing the e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. That's been my go-to for the last few weeks now. But I think the blend is good. I like the shade a lot. Now let's see what we can do with it. I think I am going to go ahead and go in with the green on the outer corner. And then this shade looks so pretty, so I think I might want to play with that one. The green is called Long Leaf Pine. I'm using a damp Morphe M124. I decided to go with the shimmer first. That was by accident. I was just mesmerized by the shimmer. But notice I'm not taking it all the way, and oof, notice I am getting fallout. Okay, but I'm gonna leave some room for that matte green. Now on a Rephr 13, I'm going in with the matte green. Just to add a little bit of color out here in the corner. Okay, I think we have a very beautiful look going on. For the lower lash line, I think I will do, I don't want to do a shimmer. Perhaps this or the red. What do I feel like doing? Maybe the red. Let's go in with the red. The red is called Dogwood. Using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply. Oh, that's a nice red. Very nice. That is a really good shade. Really good shade. The only thing I'm getting with this palette is a lot of fallout. Either lay extra setting powder down or do your eyes first. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this beautiful green. This one is called Emerald. Same BH Cosmetics brush. And I'm just applying to the inner corner. Cute. Fun. Alright guys, I'm going to go take care of the finishing touches off camera. And I will be right back to show you guys this completed look number one. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number one. I love the way this look turned out. I had to add some lashes because this mascara from CoverGirl, the eye enhancer, no, it wasn't doing anything for my lashes. So the lashes I decided to go in with were these from Eylure, and it's their Wispy Pack number 117. Love it. A little Wet n Wild breakup proof liner on the top lash line. For the lower waterline, it's an eyeliner that I've had for a while. It's from Shein, and I don't even know where I put it. But what I do want to mention is I changed out of the lippy and I added this Unearthly Cosmetics lip liner. This one is in the shade Fiery, and then I just went over it with the same lip balm, and look at the difference that was made. So definitely these lip balms, they're just, for me, they're not something that I would wear on their own. I would definitely have to pair them with a lip liner if I wanted to get maximum payoff, and I do, and I love the way this whole face of makeup turned out. I am off to work, but I will see you guys later, but for you all in a few seconds for look number two. All right, guys, so let's continue our journey with Enchanted Autumn. And I have no idea what I'm wearing to work today, but I kind of feel like I want to play with these like cooler tones over here, the pink, this little gray, blue-gray shade. So I think I'm going to start here with Foggy, work into Dusk, and then work into this one over here. What is this one called? Heron. So yeah, those will be the three mattes that I do on the lid, the crease, and then we'll come up with a fun shimmer for the lid, maybe two shimmers for the lid. And I'm taking the shade Foggy. Ooh, that's deeper than what I thought, on a BK212. I did prime my eyelids with the e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. That really has been working for me. Now they just need to come out with a glitter primer, and it'll be good. Next, I'm going in with the shade Dusk, and I'm taking that on a BK A502. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. Mixed with Foggy. Very nice. I'm only going to bring it like the inner half. Now with that same brush, I'm going in with Heron. I'm going to keep that focused in the outer corner, slightly into the crease. I think all those shades are looking so nicely together. Like they just mesh so well. I think I'm going to extend the shade Foggy a little more outward. Okay, so I feel like we have a nice blend going on. Very smoky. That's what I'm noticing with this palette. You're going to create some smoky looks. At least the two that I've been creating have been smoky. I suppose if you just use one of the lighter shades in the crease and then do a shimmer, of course, it wouldn't come out as smoky, but I mean, I don't mind. I don't mind at all. I'm going to go in first with this one down here, and then I'm going to finish off with this one over here. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I did change into the second lippy, but I paired it with this Unearthly Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Cafe, and then this is the other lippy over here. You can see how it looks. They really are clear lippies with maybe just a hint of color. But it's a comfortable formula, but it's not a formula that lasts all day. I noticed that yesterday when I was wearing the other one. I did have to reapply several times. It was pretty much just the lip liner that lasted. So this is the shade Sagittarius, and I'm using a damp Morphe 709 to apply. Not noticing, oh, there it is. Yeah, this is one you kind of need to build up a little bit. I wasn't noticing a lot of payoff right off. Same brush. Now I'm going in with the Libra, and this one is going to be the star of the show. Look at that. And you can tell right away the differences. This is a more, I guess, foiled, but it does have texture to it. They all have a little bit of texture, which is fine by me. But big difference in the visibility, payoff. Love this shade. Oof, I love that. I love that. Cool tone, smoky eye. You know, it's typically what smoky eyes are, right? But this looks really, really pretty, if I do say so myself. For the lower lash line, I want to go back in with the pink shade Dusk. I'm using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Oof, and I picked up way too much. Okay, now for the inner corner, I think I'm just going to bring down Libra because it's just so bright and pretty. And yesterday when I did the green, I felt that was just a little too dark for the inner corner. So kind of regretting my choices once I got to work, but I still went with it. But this one, this is more of an inner corner highlight. All right, guys, I am going to pop off camera to take care of finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Liner on the top lash line. I changed mascaras because I was not feeling this one at all from CoverGirl yesterday, the eye enhancer. As a matter of fact, I'm going to pop it in the trash because I do not like that at all. But I used Maybelline Lash Stiletto today. Love it much better. And for the lower waterline, an About Face eyeliner. This one is in the shade Leave Me Breathless. Love it. I think it is so, so pretty. Let me go get myself straightened up for work, and then I will be right back. Actually, no, you know what? I'm going to wear test this today. Since I didn't get to wear test it yesterday, let me wear test this today, and then when I get home from work, I will share with you guys my final thoughts. Hey guys, I just wanted to do this quick check-in. It's been 10.5 hours. The eyeshadow is on point. I didn't get any fallout. It's not creasing. It looks sparkly. It looks good. Got some compliments on it today. I think this is such a cute collection. For me, the favorite thing is the candle and it is the eyeshadow palette. The lip balm didn't last and they're comfortable. It's a nice formula, but it's, you know, it's a lip balm. You're definitely going to have to reapply. And all of the shades are kind of sheer. So I think if you wanted to skip out on the lip balms, you could, and just maybe get the candle and the eyeshadow palette. I think that would be a great idea. Did they have perfumes? Fantasy Cosmetica does perfumes. I don't remember if they had perfume. They might have had perfume with this collection. The good thing about Fantasy Cosmetica, at least from a creator standpoint, is when they send you the PR offer, they let you pick the things that you want to receive in PR. So I just chose to get the eyeshadow palette, the candle, and the 2 lip balms. I didn't choose to get the entire collection. I just wanted to get the things that I knew I would get use out of and that I could share with you guys here on my channel. So I loved everything. Congratulations to Amanda, aka Makeup Just for Fun on Instagram, Fantasy Cosmetica, Jordan, the owner. Thank you guys so much for sending this collection my way. Again, this collection is going to drop tomorrow, Friday. I will put all of the details in the description box. Friday the 13th, September the 13th. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. Bye.